Rod Breaker Fishing here. I'm Jeremy Stalker. Put together a couple videos that I actually took from about a year ago. That we went, me and my wife and son went down with a couple of friends to Atlantic Beach area. Me and Grayson Biedenbaugh went and kayaked out to Atlantic Beach Bridge up underneath there and got on the cement pylons that holds up the bridge, and you can walk around them and stuff once you get out there. We kayaked out there first day, just took bare minimal just to try it out, and ended up catching a 5 or 6 foot nurse shark. Check it out.
It's no real. Come on, up the bottom. Oh my God, dude. I want to keep him away from the pylon as much as possible. I mean, that's got to be escaped. Let's see if I can turn it. Oh, here we go. Okay. Here we go, dude. Here we go. Here we go. Look at it. Oh, that's
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! Look at that!
Look at that thing!
Look at the size of that shark!
Holy smoke!
What is that? Like 5 foot long?
He's huge, man.
Alright, hey,
Second day, I went out. I took a bunch of stuff. Took a little bit more heavy equipment, so that way, you know, I was ready, prepared, because I really wasn't prepared when I caught that shark. I was on 25-pound mono with a 50-pound test leader. Don't ask me how it got in, but we got it. Anyways, next day we went out, took a bunch of stuff, ended up hooking into 3 skates and 1 stingray, and had a blast doing it.
check it out. I'm videoing right now. Here you go.
You got it?
It's already good. Yep, I got it. Ready?
Got it. You're good. Watch you step over there. I don't know where that other rod is.
I'm trying to get away from there. There's that. It's not big. Oh. Swimming this way, swimming this way. There's the swimming right here.
gotta be close. There you go.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Another skate. There you go. Come on. There you go. You got it this way. The other way. The other way. The other way. The other way. Yep. Woo. Woo. It's right here. You got to reel down on it. There you go. It's coming up. Come on, keep going. Yep, yep, yep. Come on, keep coming. It's a big skate again, I bet you. Out of way, out of way, out of way. There you go. Bring it back up again. There you go. It's coming up slowly. Reel down on it. There you go. Come on. It might try to make another run right here.
No runs.
No runs. There you go. You're doing good. You're doing good. Doing good. You're doing good. I think we're almost at leader. You gotta be getting close. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Try to make it go around the kayaks. Try to make it go around the kayaks. Get it around. Don't let it go between. Oh, watch it go this way. That's okay. That's okay. Bring it back over here. That's right. That's right. You go. Reel down on. Reel down on. There you go. Yep. Step. Watch your foot over. Right foot over. There you go. Right there. Perfect. Keep coming. It's right here. Reel, 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 reel. Keep coming. There it is. It's right there. It's right there. Another big skate. Look at it. All right.
You good? Yep. Let me move it.
Oh, my arms, dude. Get over here.
You're doing a great job. Yeah, here it comes, here it comes.
Nope, nope.
Back around. there you go. Try and swim under, don't let it.
Sucker's right here. Here it comes, dude. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes, dude. Here it comes. Big old skate, dude. Big old skate. Yeah. Big skate. Big old skate. Alright. This is my pliers. They're right there.
That was a fun trip. We didn't catch a whole lot of what I like to call eater fish, but we definitely caught some bigger fish, and that was a lot of fun. Definitely hearing that drag start screaming and stuff like that, that was a lot of fun. And them skates and stingrays, when they get, you know, that big, the power of those creatures are unreal, and how they can just suck down to the bottom is unbelievable. We actually lost one. We got 4 actually to us, but one of them ended up breaking us off, and that one went on a long run, and it ended up getting into the line of a boat that was like 2 pylons down. But anyways, it was a fun trip. I hope y'all enjoyed the videos. Like I said, these videos are from a year ago, just from iPhone. Wasn't anything special. Wasn't really trying to make it anything special, so they're not the best quality or anything like that. But I thought I'd share them with y'all. God bless. Y'all have a good day.